Hi, this is Dave with Profitable MLMs. I welcome you to my site, and I appreciate the opportunity to show you my primary MLM. I made the decision to purchase or to invest in Fortune high-tech marketing based on actually financial analytical criteria that I would use if I were doing the analysis as a CPA for any of my clients. Most people go to a sales meeting, they have a tremendous speaker there, they get caught up in the emotions, and they make a purchase decision or an investment decision based on emotion, not on financial data. What I did, I went through and analyzed quite a few MLMs. There was specific criteria that each had to meet to be able to be considered and for me to make an investment. The first item was I wanted to make sure that they had a tremendous management team. And I did research, and I felt that Paul Orbison, who had been a top producer in Excel, he was making over $1 million a month in commissions, knew what he was doing, and knew what distributors needed to be profitable. The second item was the corporate structure. Paul Orbison, his brother, and Tim Mills run the business. They're able to make decisions quickly. They're able to be able to adapt to any situation rapidly, rather than a business that has a lot of shareholders, that has a board of directors, a CEO, CFO, and all of that bureaucracy. So that was a real plus to me. Plus, the return on investment that stockholders would want in this type of structure is actually returned to the distributors. We actually are in a position of ownership. Now, the next criteria that I wanted to look at was I wanted to make sure that they were financially stable. I wanted to make sure that they were debt-free and didn't have creditors. You know, by having creditors, they can influence how the business is run and what payouts may be. Now, the next item is payouts. I wanted to make sure that the payouts were good. Now, I was pleased to find out that Fortune High-Tech Marketing has had 8 increases in payouts over the last 9 years. I think this is tremendous. As they've grown, the profits have been shared. The next criteria was I wanted to have a business that had growth. Now, the growth potential is, especially in these dire economic times, was important. I didn't want to have one that had peaked and is now going on the downhill run. I wanted to be in a company that was relatively new. Fortune High-Tech Marketing is just getting into its prime, so it's important to get in soon because they've only been in business for 9 years. The selection of Fortune High-Tech Marketing was really based that I felt that they had the best potential to be profitable and to have the most profit. Now, I used some other criteria. I didn't want to have an MLM that I had to buy inventory. I didn't want to have an MLM that I had to buy samples. I didn't want to have an MLM that I had to myself take samples to clients and then go back later and pick them up or make the closing, and I didn't want to have to deliver product. So I wanted one that would interface with our lead generation system, one that could be operated completely on the internet, one that would just migrate from one system to the other system. And I feel that that's what I've been able to do. So I welcome you to join us. I know that a lot of you have uplines that really don't help you other than sending you emails every day. I understand as an accountant that the more profitable my downline is, the more profitable that I'll be. So I'm going to be available to answer and help you through each step. And combining the two systems, I think that you have unlimited profit potential. So if you would click, learn a little bit about the company. One thing I wanted to mention was you want to be sure that you look for the tab. It's like second row up where it has the Fortune High-Tech Mall. This is where hundreds of internet stores are located, and the way that this works is you're able to send clients there. They get a cash discount when buying there. This is a cash discount above what they would get if they went to the same site without going through us. Plus you get a commission. And the key to Fortune High-Tech Marketing is they're a middleman. They build loyal customers for big companies like GE Security, like Dish TV, for all of the cell phone companies, and that's how you build your residual income for the future. While these people are renewing or paying their monthly bill for Dish TV, you get a commission off of it. So again, it's all automatic. The money goes into your account automatically. And if you have any questions, give me a call. But click on the option below and go visit the site and learn all that you can. So I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.